Oh my god, that's a ninja.
God.
What? What? He rolled up his window a little bit. Oh my god. Honk, 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 honk! Oh, that's brick house. That smells really good. Everybody's speeding up now. And they have all their windows closed now. Oh, that's the Cirillas right there. That's called hot mess. That's called a car. Oh my baby, 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 oh.
Did that a little too much.
Thank you. Hey! Oh, I forgot to turn it. Oh, that's a really nice car. That's a Mazda. Oh my god, he's calling the popo. It's right up the window. It's right. I'm trying to leave him down. I'll honk right now. Alright. Honk! 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 Waiting for you to press the horn. Honk! 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 Honk!